promise we get. It's sad cause I'll be standing alone like a dead. And I don't know how to be just like you, but by your words I will live like you. You have to go now. I understand that there's a permanent in this world that we have. As life goes on, I'll always have your love as I reach my goal. Thank you in behalf. You provided me with love. You taught me what is right. You've given me life to live. You mold me by your care. You comfort me in pain. You made me a praise to God. You protected me from evil. Thank you for your love. In my darkest hour, you promised me grace, and I'm not ashamed of what I am. I can show them my face. They are amazed, they go just like you, just like a spot or the sand that is you. If I can bring back the past and change some things I don't like, if I can be in the moment when it gets to this place, I wanna say I was selling my soul to the devil just to make it happen, just to say I love you and hug you words that ain't flesh. If I can bring back the years I spent each time with you to give you back the love and respect that you put in me, but it's too late now. I never made what I must need to make. I hope you got away from your grave and hear all the words that we said. You provided me with love. You taught me what is right. You've given me a life to live. You mold me by your care. You comfort me in pain. You made me a faith to God. You protected me from evil. Thank you for your love. Look at me now, I'm a grown-ass man. Just like you, I'm having a son, and I will try my best not to be away from him, cause I don't want him to feel what I felt in you. I miss you so much. You should see what I've become.